Ooh, day two, fool, day two. Oh my goodness. Let's just start here. Day two, full.
Find a way to forgive myself for the mistakes I made in the past. That's the first step, right? I've dug two graves for us, my dear. Can't pretend that I was perfect, living you in fear. Oh man, what a world of things I hear. If I could act on my revenge, no would I? Some kill, some steal, some break your heart, and you thought that I would let it go and let you walk. But broken hearts break bones, and break up fast, and I don't wanna let it go. So in my grave I write, I've dug two graves for us, my dear. Can't pretend that I was perfect, living you.
What's the deal? It's your boy Rodney the Boss, multi-platinum and Grammy Award winning producer of Lil Wayne on the Carter 3, Plies, Lil Boosie, Mr. Magic, Rocco, the list just goes on, you know what I'm saying? I'm rocking with my girl, Amber Alert, on the Takeover, on the AATI Network.
Hey, it's Riff, you rockin' with Gemini the Queen.
What up, man? It's your boy DJ Nothing Nice, WNDB, Orlando, Florida. You know the country lifestyle, that's how we get down. Grammy, producer, RIA member, just entrepreneur worldwide, just rocking, doing what we do right here, you know what I'm saying? With your homegirl, Gemini the Queen, Amber Alert. We're just doing what we do, you know what I'm saying? We're doing the big boy things, you know what I'm saying? Doing the big boy things, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do the big boy things, you feel me, player? But it is what it is, man. Holla at your boy, man. DJ Nothing Nice, man. We in here, man. Let's go. Blah.
Yo, this is me, Gemini the Queen, again. Because we back with day 3. Now, day 3 was just a fool as well, man. This shit is a mess. So, oh my goodness. So, dude, the snitch is still on the stand. He's been on the stand 2 days now, and he'll be back tomorrow, and probably the next day, and the day after that, or into Sunday. I mean Monday. Y'all know where I'm going with this. So this shit has just it between the defense and the actions of Trayvon today. It's just a fool. So look, Pete. Oh, and also how long it takes to actually get the jury into the courtroom. 4 hours just to get the jury in the room, and then you have court for 2 minutes. Bitch, what the fuck is this?
Right. That while they're in here with counsel and there's certain strategies going on is one thing. When they're back there is quite another, and they're not to have, they weren't supposed to have contact, and I see that that's apparently a term of art, but no contact, no communication, no nothing outside the courtroom.
And Judge, my only other fear is what Your Honor had brought a sidebar for yesterday that had occurred in the courtroom.
What?
So that's not necessarily strategy when you're doing what we were informed of. So the no contact order is something that we would ask that.
Hold on, what happened?
Well, and it is David Alvarez, Deputy with Broward County Sheriff's Office. Last name is Alpha Lima Victor, Alpha Romeo Echo Zulu.
All right, state who you are.
Deputy Alvarez, what department are you with?
The Broward County Sheriff's Office.
When I say department, there's a subsection that you work for specifically?
The Division of Department of Extension.
Okay, and in that division, you're responsible for the transport specifically of whether it's high-profile inmate or inmates that have a specific, special custody status?
Yes, ma'am.
This is part of the reason court didn't start on time.
Part of the transport team that is responsible for an inmate by the name of Robert Allen, who's also been listed as a state witness in the case of State of Florida versus 3 co-defendants for the homicide of Xxxtentacion.
Yes, I've been assigned with the transport of Mr. Robert Allen.
Have you been with Mr. Allen since, I believe it was Monday, as part of his transport team to assist in getting him here for trial?
Yes.
Okay. Is there an incident that happened today on February 9th that you alerted the state attorney's office to regarding some comments, threats, or however intimidation that was made by one of the co-defendants directed specifically at Mr. Allen?
Yes.
Who was the co-defendant or co-defendants that was involved in this incident?
The co-defendant that we can identify as Mr. Newsom.
Okay. And what is it that, tell us what it is that you notified?
Not who I expected.
As directed by Your Honor, Mr. Robert Allen was supposed to come up here first. But as the procedures and normal operations at the jails, they usually pull the court docket kind of early, so unfortunately the defendants were in the holding area before we could come up here.
And if I just may, when you say defendants, who were the defendants that were in the holding area?
The only one I know of now is Mr. Newsom.
Okay. So he was in the holding area, and then what happened next?
We notified the Braves that we're coming up with a high profile so they can secure it, lock everybody down. They put these drapes on the windows, right through the hallway. As we're making our way over here,
Turmoil.
what we can hear is Mr. Newsom yell out. There he is working with the police. He's the popo.
What?
Also said you're working with the white man now, and those are the comments.
Why would he say all that
You actually heard
with
the
his
comments
stupid
from
ass?
Mr. Newsom directed at Mr. Allen?
Did he think the police couldn't hear him?
Okay. And as Mr. Allen was walking, from as far as you could tell, was there anything obstructing Mr.
Witness
Allen
intimidation,
from being able
bitch.
to hear? Like, he didn't have any on his ears or anything like that, was he? How close was Mr. Allen standing to you?
Closer than you and I.
Okay, and right now, how many feet would you say we are apart from?
Anywhere from 3.5.
Okay,
What
he was
a
closer to 3.5
jackass.
feet.
Yes, ma'am.
Were there any other witnesses to this, besides yourself and Mr. Allen?
He was yelling it louder enough so anyone in the hall could hear him.
And when you say he, you're referring to Mr. Newsom?
Correct.
Okay. How long did this tirade of comments and explicatives or whatever go towards Mr. Allen?
Time-wise, I cannot actually say. We can say if it was anywhere between 30 seconds to a minute to however long it took us to turn the corner and walk past this house.
Did Mr. Allen, prior to, during, or after saying
So
anything?
while he
with
was
respect to
walking
that?
with you, the police.
So, from what you could see, was there any provocation by Mr. Allen towards Mr. Newsom regarding before this incident occurred?
Ooh.
And how did it stop?
Once we were at the
So basically, Mr. Newsom continued to do it until he couldn't see.
Is
Mr.
he
Allen
practicing
anymore
being
from
an
your perspective?
inmate forever?
No further questions.
What the fuck is this?
You'd agree these men are supposed to have no contact with each other whatsoever, is that correct?
Ideally, yes.
Now, you said you were in the process of putting up curtains.
No, I did not.
Or what?
I did not put up curtains.
No, but you said you guys were in the process of doing that when he walked by?
No, the way you're saying it is incorrect.
Explain to me what you were
The defense attorney is trying. He's trying.
We got down there. As we're walking down the hallway, as if I'm walking to you, that's where Newsom cell was. And he starts saying,
You don't have to approach me, sir.
No. So we can get,
But that's okay. I would first get it.
And then once we walk through here, that's when everything stops.
They
You're
clown.
saying Newsom could see.
The attorney trying to act like he's scared of the police.
So how do you know Mr. Newsom is the person that made these statements? How many people were in that holding cell?
I'm done. Okay, so their stupid ass defense lawyers are trying to argue the fact, or where's the fact? They're trying to say that this didn't happen, and the snitch is lying, because he's a snitch. All he do is lie, of course. Hello. That's what they're trying to go with. Prosecutor like, nah. The judge is like,
Outside the presence of the jury,
we'll have him come in and tell the jury.
Because it could change after today. that Mr. Allen, at least for purposes of that we can put on the record what color shoes he's wearing and what he's wearing, because that's I'm not intending to do this in front of the jury, but for the purposes of the record, especially since Mr. Allen's credibility has been called into issue and he's not present right now, so that we can put it on the record and the court can see for itself as well.
Yes, he said he saw the brown or tan shoes, and that he definitely knows who said that shit to him, because obviously, how you not gonna know when the motherfucker you been around talking shit or talking? You know what I'm saying, nigga? It was him. Okay, let's hear what he says. The quote unquote snitch.
One of the defense attorneys, we're limiting that to as I was being escorted into the courtroom. Okay? All right, are we ready?
State's ready. Thank you, Your Honor.
Very good.
Bring in the jury. Let's do a close-up of the dude that just did it. Cool. Let's hear about this. Hello. Got to hear. Faster.
Mr. Allen, in your phone at the time that you were arrested, do you recall how you had the co-defendants listed in your phone as
what the hell?
contacts in this case? It's the second day, I think?
Yes.
Okay, so you started yesterday. You've been under oath since when?
Yesterday.
Okay. Now, when you were being escorted into the courtroom, outside the presence of the jurors, being brought in and placed on the stand, after you started testifying, were there any comments made to you that were not coming from myself or any attorneys?
Yes.
Who made a comment to you about your testimony?
What they say?
Trayvon.
Trayvon.
Come out and identify them in the courtroom as to who you're referring to that made some comments to you.
Second yeah, with a blue suit.
Okay, there's two people wearing a blue suit. What race is he?
Black.
And is he seated on the end, middle?
In the middle.
He was smiling before, and now he ain't smiling.
Who's that you're pointing out to?
Trayvon Lewis.
Your Honor, please let the court identify any court identification of Trayvon Newsom in this case for this matter. Okay. So Trayvon Newsom made a comment to you after you started testifying. What was the comment that Trayvon Newsom made to you after you started testifying in this case?
He called me the police and asked me to, and said that I worked for the white man, and I'm the sellout.
What?
What did you take that to mean when he's saying that to you?
Don't snitch.
Oh yeah.
And when you say that you took it as you're a snitch, how would you understand that to mean in terms of any impact that it would have on you as you're testifying still in this case?
Maybe it's a threat.
An immediate
Did you take
threat.
it that way?
No, that.
No further questions.
What an idiot. Did he really do that? You know what? Matter of fact, he probably did. Because you know what? You know what else these niggas was doing? Getting caught on social media, of course. And that's in the trial. Do y'all, criminals, y'all know the police use social media and be all up on your shit? Or no? You forgot? What? Just posting all your crimes, recordings of y'all talking about it, motherfucking all this shit. What's wrong with you? Y'all like jail? Ooh. Goodness gracious.
5 was previously marked as States H for identification.
Okay.
Shall receive evidence that the States H deposit
States 8.
photos and one thumb drive. You may publish that.
Man, they audio Xxxtentacion. Hello. Salmon head. Okay, fine.
8. Photograph or item number 2 of 5.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Who's that in 2 of 5? Okay. And
Showing all the money.
the items or the
Smart.
currency that is being held by Michael Boatwright. Do you recall if that is from the robbery in this case?
Yes,
Do you
Mm-hmm.
recall if this photograph was taken after you and your co-defendants robbed and killed the victim?
yes.
Mm-hmm.
And asking also about states 2 of 5 of states 8. Do you recall, as testified, Mr. Boatwright lived with you, did he have that amount of currency prior to homicide?
No.
Yeah.
I'm showing you what has been entered
She's
into
really
evidence.
trying to prove Drake's innocence, and it's kind of...
3 of 5.
it's kind of...
Who is that in states 3 and 5? Grinning.
Mo money.
$100 bills in his hand
Goodness.
stand out.
Trayvon, the one that just called him a bitch ass, snitch ass, white man loving nigga.
Currency
Mm-hmm. He showed
that's
it.
in Mr. Newsom's hand was taken
Police,
from the
police ass
victim's case
nigga.
after
Mm-hmm. He said all the
your
niggas.
co-defendants robbed and killed the
Mhm.
victim.
Yes.
Do you recall, because Mr. Trayvon Newsom, as you said, was living with
So
you,
smart.
did he have this amount of currency prior to the homicide on June 18, 2018?
No.
Did y'all know
Earlier in
Trayvon was staying with dude?
I believe it was state.
They did a 15K split amongst 3 and gave dude 5 stacks.
The video of the car crash. Do you recall?
Oh my goodness
you
gracious.
identified Mr. Newsom and Mr. Boatwright in the video, and you also talked
Let me get my lighter here.
specifically about what they were wearing?
Yes.
Do you recall, is this from the same day where Mr. Newsom is wearing, it appears to be the same outfit?
Yes.
The one from the
Smart.
car. Is this from the day of the homicide?
Yes.
How about, and I'm going to show you again, 2 of 5 of States 8. When you talked about Mr. Boatwright's hat and what he was wearing with some fatigue pants and dark colored shirt. Because he appeared to be wearing
The main
same thing
shooter.
you testified about earlier
Well, the
from
shooter.
States 3.
Yes.
So this photograph of Mr. Boatwright fanning currency from the robbery, is this from the day of the homicide?
Yes.
That don't look like dude though, but it's conspiracy confirmed, bitch. That don't look like him. He said it wasn't him. Oh shit. I
We're
just
showing
bullshit.
you what's been marked for identification, or excuse me, marked for evidence that states 4 or 5 from states 8.
Trayvon, the
In
guy.
that photograph,
Trayvon Newsom.
okay? And is this from around the time of the homicide, after the homicide rather?
No.
When is this from? Was it earlier?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, before the
During that
homicide.
2 to 3 month period?
Yes.
Okay, that was
Showing
the
5
ugly
of 5 from states 8.
Oh my goodness, niggas.
States 8. 5 of 5.
Michael Boatwright and me.
And
Right.
it appears that the both of you are
These niggas.
both banning $100 bills in U.S. currency. Is that currency that you and your co-defendant, Michael Boatwright, holding from the $50,000 that you stole from the victim when you killed him?
Yes.
And when is this picture, when is it from?
The night.
A couple of days after you robbed and killed the victim?
Yes.
The nerve.
Where this picture was taken?
No.
They ain't giving no fucks. 0 fucks. That will be the name of the show.
I'm going to show you what has been pre-marked for identification.
This shit is a fucking fool. Not to mention, good God. Never mind.
States I.
Okay, so then they bring in this gun that's not the murder weapon, but it looks close to it, but it's not it. And they wasted a whole lot of time talking about nothing about that. And then the defense lawyer, the first defense lawyer, finally gets his go. And he sounds a goddamn plumb fool for a very long time. So, once again, I guess we'll be here till about Thanksgiving, the way this motherfucking shit is going. Okay, now in that motherfucking order, Audi.
Suicide if you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Someone else is ready to let go. Suicide if you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah.
Hey, it's Riff. You rockin' with Gemini the Queen.
I gave her everything, she took my heart and left me lonely. I've been broken hearted with angels. I won't fix, I'd rather breathe.
I should just play the song.
What's the deal? It's your boy Rodney the Boss, multi-platinum and Grammy Award-winning producer of Lil Wayne on the Carter 3, Plies, Lil Boosie, Mr. Magic, Rocco. The list just goes on. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking with my girl Amber Alert on the Takeover on the AATI network.
It is your memories that hold you to the person that you were. To amount to the light you can become. You must understand the power of your mind. Don't do that.
But I fucking hate when you leave. Someone else is ready to let go. Suicide if you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Someone else is ready to let go. Suicide if you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah.
What up, man? It's your boy DJ Nothing Nice, WNRDB, Orlando, Florida. You know, the palm tree lifestyle, that's how we get down. Grammy memory engineer, producer, RIAA member, you know, just entrepreneur worldwide, you know, just rocking, doing what we do right here, you know what I'm saying? With your homegirl, Gemini the Queen.
Well, them Adidas and Nike.
We're just doing what we do, you know what I'm saying? Doing the big boy things, you know what I'm saying?
So
Doing the big boy things, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do the big boy things, you feel me, player? But it is what it is, man. Holla at your boy, man, DJ Nothing Nice, man. We in here, man. Let's go. Blah.
You have done well about it, battling yourself. Your demon seems to honor your efforts. Are you satisfied? Good God.